poop on the paper over there.
Stop it.
On the,
You can't poo all those places.
that would be like.
Hey, how about we poop on the potty?
And those
That'll be a good one.
go leaking all everywhere.
It's gonna leak everywhere.
Ew.
Bye.
That's
It's like a poop artist.
A poop artist and make poop like on a paper and cut a poop.
And then spread it.
Ew.
But it.
He has to poo, I think. That's why he's talking all this poo talk. He just farted.
And
poop artist?
Poop on
Tell
the.
me something about
Poop
the
on the tissues. Poop on the.
Stop it!
Poop on the basketball and everything can be like. I don't think down section other than the whole waist. And worms will.
What does a
you
poop-
know,
The worms are
will
gonna
get
come.
What do the poop artists do?
They do all that stuff I said thing.
Oh, they do all the stuff you just said.
Because they make paper, all of them, and they
make
put
paper?
them, they put a paint at them,
Show
and
them all. What color is it?
they paint the pool, they paint
They paint the poo.
all this stuff in the house, and they with a big brush, and then they
With a big brush?
yeah.
Is it a poop brush?
Yeah.
Ew, look at his almost laughing. Don't tell him about it. You put it on frames or paper? Don't paint it on. I'll catch you.